This exercise is called the imaginary ball, and this is how it works.
We're gonna be in groups of 3, 4, 5, and we're gonna, in our case, 4, 5, and we're gonna do an exercise of creating a ball. Yeah, so I decide what kind of ball, like how big it is, how small it is, how heavy it is, how light it is. Yeah, and how fast. And we are in a circle. Yeah, so we can make a circle here. Yeah. And how fast I send it to the other person. So I choose another person and I send my ball to the other person, and the person has to receive it depending, take into account, if I have, like, for example, a ball, I give it to the person has to take it as if it's it's a heavy and big ball, right? Yeah. If my ball it's like really small and I send it, the person has to take it accordingly. Yeah. So again, I create my ball. And when I receive my ball, so if you send me a ball, your ball, yeah. So I receive a ball, then I take some time, I change it. I of course take some time to think what kind of ball I want, and then I decide that. Okay, so I leave clear to the people the size and the weight of my ball, and then I send it to someone else. Okay, let's try.
Here is an example. This exercise enhances creativity and spontaneity. It builds nonverbal communication skills and teamwork. And it encourages resilience and patience during creative blocks.